Me and Ebba are reacting to the thing. Stop! 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 Ebba, wait! Put to the beginning. Put to the beginning. Please, please, please. Oh my gosh! Ah! That looked like Mario. Ah! Stop it! Ebba! Is that the beginning? Oh my gosh!
You made me see that. I mean,
Bruh.
nothing. I don't see anything. Okay, we're reacting to Nintendo Direct. No one can see me.
Good. Okay. Pokemon, guys. This is Scarlet and Violet DLC. I mean, you haven't played this game yet. Why not?
Yeah, I have.
We barely played it. It's so good.
I know, because there's too many cutscenes. I can't even play it.
But yeah, I think this is the DLC. You gotta give your honest reaction to the new Pokemons, okay? Whoa.
Those are not even looking.
I was talking about the vibe of the area. It's cool. Like Japan theme, I assume. Okay, yeah, so like Japanese theme area in Paldea region. Monkey. They look kind of goofy. I like them.
I love, bro. They look good.
What is this? Oh yeah, it's that.
You guys like wearing it.
Character design in Scarlet and Violet is very, very good, very great. This is cool.
Whoa, whoa. Crystal.
Oh, that's already in the game.
See, I haven't even played it, no.
I thought that was a new thing they just. The character cut that up.
Hello everyone, I'm Shinya Takahashi, and I'll be one of your guides for today's Nintendo Direct.
I'm Yoshiaki Koizumi, and I'll also be joining today.
I heard of you. I heard of him.
That was the latest trailer
They're actually
for the
speaking
hidden
English?
treasure of Area
No,
Zero,
Eva, they're actually
the paid
speaking
DLC
Japanese, and then they just go over it.
and Pokemon
Actually?
Violet games.
Yes.
The first half of the trailer
Get that out. The last 3 Pokemon games I have not played.
You're kidding. You played.
The last one I played was Shield. And I like finished that. Remember when I like
Yeah, well, we definitely gotta play this. It's literally new Supersonic Bros.
Oh, Shadow?
This is the game Sammy Classic Sonic fan wanted.
In your garden
They look like
and
Fortnite.
more. Play with other residents in
You're kind of right.
online code.
I mean, it does look interesting, but they do kind of look like Fortnite characters.
Palia is free to play and launches on Nintendo
Oh, it's free?
Switch this holiday.
Might play it then. Might check it out. I got like the worst spoiler because I saw like the new Super Mario Bros. Font. So I don't think there's a new Super Mario Bros. Game. But like I'm not gonna act like I didn't see the thing saying that there's a new 2D Mario game.
Then surround your foes and take them out with dramatic
saw
flair
it?
using the new
I saw him running. He was like,
Stop! Stop spoil. Oh my god, Mario runs. Get out.
This Splatfest is going to be pretty sweet.
ooh.
Should I hop back into Splatoon 3? I played this game a lot, but,
No.
but then I fell off. Oh, no, this is
No,
not
because
your,
I need to play.
it's not your era. Fine, you can have the Splatfest.
We only got one Switch.
Those are my favorite. Those are
Pepper.
Fry's the legend.
Okay, squids.
They're the best.
Here's
They're the best
thing.
3 of all life.
Flavor.
Ooh,
Strawberry.
vanilla.
Vanilla, strawberry, or mint chip. This Splatfest
Mint
will
chip,
help
mint
turn
chip,
today's
Vanilla.
game on screen.
Mint chip or strawberry?
Vanilla. Vanilla's already losing it in the preview. What is this? Is this a new Pokemon game or not? Or is this something new?
I hate the human like a Pokemon. It's supposed to be like Pikachu.
Oh, this is the new. Is this the new Detective Pikachu?
Like a midlife crisis.
I knew those leaks were real. I saw this leak as well. And people said, there's no way. Well, actually, I'll let you know. Is that what Ludicolo sounds like?
Please take a look at this.
Okay.
Okay.
Please take a look at this. Clicks off.
Wait.
Oh, pink.
Actually, they're probably just bringing it to the Nintendo Switch Online. There's no way they're making a remake of it. Mario RPG remake. They said it wouldn't happen. No way. Oh my gosh. He's a baby. I was just playing that the other day. The original.
Thumbnail.
No way. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, Ken was cheating in this a couple days ago.
Stop. I couldn't figure. Whoa. Mallow. Bro, Gino. I gotta cut that out. That's so cringe. Monkey.
This is gonna be like
Croco.
Super Princess Peach.
Birdo. That thing.
Yeah, they need to make a new Super Mario
I'm
RPG
gonna-
song for this game.
Facts. Christopher Nyosi has to get on that mix. I'm glad this is happening. This is the first time. How Gino's back?
Mario's so goofy. He's like, oh, chunky. Oh, I turned this up.
Eva? Is this Super Princess Peach World 2?
That's right. Princess Peach will star as the main character in a brand new game. When she steps on this particular spot on stage,
Huh?
Oh my gosh.
Why'd they
she's
put that
outside.
sound effect? They literally put the huh sound effect.
that's all we'll show for now. We'll share more details at a later
They're wrong for that.
Mr. Koizumi,
Okay, then the other thing I saw must have not been Mario.
Bro,
They're wrong for
I
that.
had the OG
Bruh.
Princess Peach game.
a visually enhanced version of Luigi's Mansion Dark Moon,
Luigi.
originally
Microphone was like facing. Sonic! Oh wait, I literally thought that was Sonic.
Unleashed 2 turbocharged.
Mario Kart DLC?
130 vehicles and pull off
Wait, maybe we'll say the next Mario
to
Kart
avoid
8 Deluxe
obstacles.
DLC.
They're probably gonna show that off.
But it's coming out in like December.
Rivals out.
Pikmin! Oh, I'm dumb. We get in this game.
Welcome to the
my gosh,
Rescue
that's so
Corps. As its newest
Olimar.
recruit,
That's not Olimar.
I know.
mysterious planet
Like,
with
where's
all
Olimar?
sorts of
He
life.
died.
There,
Oh,
you'll
Buggy.
I thought Olimar just turned into a
Buggy
girl.
Boo.
And the adorable rescue pup, Ochi. Good boy.
Oh my
Your
gosh, I
mission,
love those.
should you choose to explore? Exploration of
But what if they have Metal Gear Solid 2?
Metal Gear Solid 2, Sons of Liberty.
Okay, but they're not gonna have 3.
Locate and retrieve a deadly amphibious weapon. Metal Gear Solid 3, Snake Eater. Survive.
You have what it takes to survive a 30-minute onslaught of monsters.
No.
Yeah,
Stay
probably.
on the move
Game looks
to
hard as
avoid
freak.
enemies.
I'm just-
Wave 5.
I'm interested in what.
A brand new course is racing into Wave
Oh my
5
gosh.
of the
That's
Mario
it. That's our
Kart
bathroom.
Deluxe Booster
bathroom?
Course Pass DLC. Introducing
No, but he don't watch this.
Squeaky Clean Sprint. This is gonna be us when we get the game,
More
baby.
characters are also being
They're
added.
gonna spend like
Oh, PD Piranha!
Mario Kart Double Dash.
Yes.
PD Piranha. From Mario
Wiggler.
Kart 7.
Come on, Queen Bee. Queen Bee. Also from Mario Kart 7, Queen Bee. Please.
And from Mario Kart
gosh.
Tour, Kamek.
I thought they cut him.
I thought it was Kamek. We
Bro,
need.
it's comic.
Wave 5. of
That's
the
it, we get
Mario
one
Kart
course?
8 Deluxe Booster Course
We
Pass DLC
need
for the Mario Kart
Queen
8 Deluxe
Bee.
game soon
But there's
comes
3
to Nintendo
characters.
Switch
That's
this summer. Active
The summer,
Nintendo
that's
Switch
today.
Online Plus expansion pack.
Happy
members
first day of
enjoy
summer,
this DLC
guys.
at no additional
Today's the
cost.
longest day of
The
sunlight in
DLC
the
can
whole
also be
entire year.
purchased on its own.
Yes.
game's launch. New amiibo of Zelda and Ganondorf
That's cool.
are planned to be released this holiday.
Like, they all look cool. I'm just not into
Into
Zelda.
says trash game. Trash takes a game.
This next segment will be our last.
I just kind of wish I was more into
Please
Zelda.
take a look.
What? What? Move up. Apparently this is a big deal. Huh? What? That's a new flower.
Onward and upward.
What is that? Why is he so baby? What?
Cover my face.
What? Oh my gosh. It's real. This is what everybody was asking for. A new Mario style game. Different from the skating Koopa Koopa? Oh, he's like quirky. Wow. Wow. So excited. Is this game gonna be called Super Mario like a Wacky World?
Oh, what is happening?
This is Super Mario Wacky World.
Drugged right now. Okay.
It's give everything eyes and make them alive. This is so Mario. I can't believe Chris Pratt is the new voice actor for Mario. Goodness. This is so crazy. What is it? Yeah, Wonder World, Wonderland. Super Mario Wonderland. Oh, Super Mario Bros. Wonder. Wow, wow. Peaches. Dude.
Oh.
Daisy! You can play as Daisy! What? What else? Put my hype.
Yes.
Yoshi? You can play as Yoshi? Or you can ride Yoshi? I don't know.
Yeah, you can just like ride each other, but that was my favorite.
Okay, what? You can play as your. What is this burger?
What was that? God, no.
This game is gonna be so good. That's soon.
October 20th.
What is
Wait,
that?
the
The
mushroom?
elephant mushroom? The elephant radish? No! What is that?
What is that?
What? Oh my gosh! What was
That was
that?
the brand new 2D side-scrolling Mario game.
Just told you.
Super Mario Brothers.
I know, bro. The elephant mushroom. Obviously, the elephant.
When you touch a Wonder Flower, expect the unexpected. The ground can start moving, or you might turn into something different, for example.
There were also flowers talking. Daisy is playable.
Yes.
And Mario became an elephant at the end. A lot of
Yes.
things
I
happened.
didn't see that. That was strange.
We'll share more details in the future, so we hope
I'm
you'll look
so
forward to it.
glad you can play as Daisy. Daisy
That's
fans
all for
up.
today's Nintendo Direct. Thank you for watching.
So, what are your thoughts?
I think actions speak louder than words.
So, Kaden, what are your thoughts? This is one of the best directs we've gotten in a long time. I think every game shown off looks good. Some games I'm more excited for because, you know, we're just like the basic Nintendo fan. Yeah, that was just crazy, dude. Like, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with life now until those games come out. Because I think I might just, like, simply pass away
Bro, Kaden,
if
some
those
of the
games don't
already
come
may
out yet. Oh my, you're right. We gotta try that demo of the Pikmin 4.
That's great.
Let's go do that right now. Starts. So in conclusion, this is one of the best directs since this is one of the best directs in like 4 or 5, maybe even 5 years. It's great. Probably because I'm a very biased Mario fan, but yeah. Mario fans are eating way too good. I also just want to point out this comment I saw. I thought it was really great, to be honest. It was funny. It was awesome. More things. Thank you very much to Lucian is cool on Instagram for drawing my new channel art. It's great and awesome.